Hi, I'm Master Lukey, and welcome to my Life Food Certified Kitchen. Today, we're going to make a really hot sauce. Starting with 2 cups of Habanero. Woohoo! Oh my. That just happened. We're also going to throw in 100% Italian tomatoes. I forgot to measure that. Sorry guys. And then just to make sure we get all of it out there, I'm going to put in some apple cider vinegar into the tomato container. I probably should have measured that too, huh? Cover it up. Shake it. Oh, and it came out red, so you know that worked. And this is going to be a vinegar sauce, right? So we're going to put some more in there. And next time I'll measure it. Here's Celtic salt. I got a 1/4 cup. Cha-ching. And that is all she wrote for the sauce. Wow. So easy. So simple. What was that? 4 ingredients? And they're all healthy. Hot peppers, vitamin C, tomatoes, minerals, in your Celtic salt, and apple cider vinegar, probiotics. Make sure you use the Vitamix though, because otherwise it won't be smooth. We want this to be able to be like one of those hot sauces where you just kind of dab it on, right? So all the seeds are still in there, but they're going to be liquefied. And that you need a really good blender for. The Vitamix is my favorite. I'll go into it in another video. Why for some recipes you need this, camphor. Not this one though, because it's mostly liquid. We'll keep it moving until I see all these seeds ground up. Almost there, they're definitely smaller. Almost. Alright, in the interest of saving time, and you know what? It's good enough. Now, because it's thick, pepper just got in my throat. Because it's a little thick, I'm going to use the funnel here, and we'll just fill up the funnel, let it sink, fill it up again, and let it sink again. Hey-o! Oh, looks like we got space for a little more. Little squeeze bottle. Very nice. How much? Oh, yeah, you could probably fit a little more, but that's good. That's good. The rest of this hot sauce, I'm going to put in a small jar because I'm actually going to use the hot sauce in our next recipe. So this will go off to the side. We'll pour whatever we can fit into this little jar right here. And what do we have left? 1 cup, exactamundo. exactly 1 cup of that habanero hot sauce. Do not touch your eyes. Don't touch anything, actually. Whatever you do, wash your hands first. You do not want to get habanero in your eyes. Not at all. Not even a little. So now, we got the hot sauce, right? And what we're going to do is we're going to make a pumpkin seed cheese sauce, which I call Hot Dino. Okay? Here's the pumpkin seeds. I'm going to put that in probably last. But to make it a little thicker, we're going to add sea moss. This has been already blended. 1 cup. Irish sea moss. We also got, we're going to do a tablespoon of Celtic on this one. Tablespoon of Celtic salt. I tend to over salt my things, but that's just because I like it. We got a 1/2 cup of nutritional yeast. Give it a little bit of cheese flavor. And we'll do a little more apple cider vinegar. And because this is going to be a thinner sauce, I'm going to put it on this salad here. We're also going to do about 1 cup of water. And then the pumpkin seeds, this is 3 cups. Can always add more water if we need it. But now we got a pumpkin seed cheese sauce. Hot. Hot Dino. It's still quite thick for sauce, to be honest. But it's a cheese sauce, so that's fine. And here you see me using the tamper. Only the Vitamix has the tamper. The tamper when you're working with a thick recipe. I make some breads that no other blender could handle. All your doughs and things like that. But that's the pumpkin seed cheese. We made a spicy version. So you just witnessed Hot Dino. Hot Dino. Say it with me, guys. Hot Dino. You ever seen a hot dino before? Now you have. And now, this hot dino is going to get down on some salad. Me personally, I'm starting a cleanse tomorrow. So this is going to be a brooming meal to help me clean out. I got the roughage in the salad. It's basic. There's only 3 ingredients: arugula, red onion, and cucumber. I'm basic. But then you got the pumpkin seeds, high in magnesium, high in fiber, high in plant protein. Cleans you out and builds you up. That's how I got these dino muscles. and it's so creamy that it pours. But you can make this thicker or thinner depending on the amount of water you add and stuff like that. But I'm going to mix this all up, and I'm going to put the rest of this hot dino in a container in the fridge. It will get a little bit more solid because it's getting colder. And the last thing we'll do is I'll just toss this. And I don't know if I'll be able to eat this with my mask on, but I'll certainly try. See how I can toss this salad here. Mmm, smells yummy. I might need a little more sauce because there's a lot of arugula on the bottom of this tray. Let's see, I'm going to keep on keeping on. Mix until it gets all covered from the arugula to the cucumber. From sun up to sundown. Make sure you're putting health food in your body. I'm Life Food certified. That is the most recent advancement in nutritional science. And I want to help you. I want to help you be healthy. I want to help you make recipes for your family that are healthy and delicious and affordable. So stay tuned to Master Lukey. Ask me questions that you might have about Life Food Certified, and I'll make a special video for you maybe. Wait for it. Oh yeah! Woo. My mask is coming off. Now you see my true identity. Oh my God! Whoa! I'm feeling it now. Hot dino. Cheese sauce. To your health.